Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, we're going to take a regular run-of-the-mill paper sack and we're going to convert this into something beautiful. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a greeting card that also holds a gift card. And to do that, we're going to use the new Imagine collection by Graphic 45. We're going to be using the sticker sheets and the journaling and ephemera cards. This is a project that doesn't cost you a lot of money and it's going to take you under an hour. I can't wait to share it with you. We begin our paperback card by folding our paper bag in half. We'll be using our beautiful Graphic 45 packaging that our journaling and ephemera cards came in. And with some eye measuring, we'll be trimming it down to fit the front panel of our paperback card. And with some double-sided tape, we'll adhere this part to the front panel of our card. With the remainder of our packaging, we will trim another piece for the inside of the card, and do not throw your packaging away yet because we will use it once more on the other side of the card. You will see that part later on in the video. After you've inked around the edges, you'll adhere this piece on the inside part of your paperback card. Next, you'll add some glue to create your pocket. You'll then use your 4x6 ephemera cards. In this instance, I'm using my rose postcard cards, and I'm going to apply these to the inside of my paperback card. Now here's the part where we're going to use the remainder of our packaging. Because of the direction that I'm using this ephemera card, I will be falling short on the height, but that is an easy fix. I'm taking the rest of my packaging. I have trimmed about a ½ inch strip, and I will be adding this strip right on top of my ephemera card, and that will make up for the height that is missing. I then round off the bottom corners and apply it to the left hand side of our paperback card. We then fussy cut some flowers off of the other ephemera cards, and we ink around the edges, and then we apply, if you have, some wink of Stella right on top of the roses. We then take one of our 3x4 ephemera cards. In this case, I'm using the Create Your Own Dream, that beautiful flower and clock and roses, and I'm going to adhere that at the top portion of the front of our card. After adding a fussy cut stamp to the bottom of our card, we use some pop dots and some mounting tape to add dimension to our card. I'm using the mounting tape to add just one single simple layer of dimension to our card. It's not going to be by that much, but it does pop it up just a little bit. And the pop-up dots, those are the ones that will really add that depth to the card. So in other words, we are doing 3 levels. First, it's the face of the card. The second level is the one with the mounting tape, and the third level is going to be using the pop dots. Now for the fussy cutting, I did do some fussy cutting off camera, and I've used the journaling and ephemera cards that came in the package, and yeah, I pretty much fussy cut out the roses and a butterfly. I made a bow using some jute string, and I'm going to hot glue it on the top left of our card, and then on the center of the bow I will apply a fussy cut butterfly. I then add a touch of glam to our card by adding a couple of gold sequin pieces. And from our sticker sheet, I add a couple of stickers to the inside of the card for some added interest. In the comments section below, let me know what you think of our paperback card tutorial, and if you just happen to land on this video and you're not a subscriber as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. At Decorate Your Life, we focus on paper crafting, project shares, and tutorials, and thumbs up are certainly appreciated. Thank you all so very much for watching. I'll see you once again in the next video.